What's up everybody, it's Chase and J Miles and I am back with another property update, checking on progress and planning some stuff out for this home. So if you watched the last video, you saw we were doing a lot of planning there. I'm excited to update y'all on what's been going on and kind of show you the new plans as far as the finish outs and everything. Right quick, because I know I haven't done a video since, I don't think I've done a video since the conference, but it was phenomenal. I love meeting everybody who came out to the Do the Most conference. It was a good time. Be sure to join my mailing list, visit my website so that you get notified when we do our next events. Hit that like button if you're excited for this. I'm excited for this update, and let's go ahead and get to it.
Don't show everybody my code now.
I just, I seen you online on like Instagram and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I saw you just coming.
How you doing?
And it's just cool to meet you, man.
Yeah, for sure. What's your name?
I'm Greg, man.
Chasten, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What's up, guys? What's up? Brendan, nice to meet you, Brendan.
Yeah.
Same here, yeah. Now you just be talking about some good stuff.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So,
Yeah, hi, Chasten, nice to meet y'all.
Jason?
Brendan.
Brendan?
Yeah.
Jason.
Yeah, for sure. Come
Oh
on.
my God, this is so incredible.
What are the odds? It's crazy, right?
Stuff, man. Y'all doing
Baby,
it.
you want to do it?
Y'all looking at this one. Oh, y'all take it, or you got it, whatever. Let me get in there
yeah.
too. Shoot, what's up here? What up, man?
You got it? Oh, come in.
This is
Awesome.
I'm a process server, so we ride around just, process serving and probably looking at houses and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And we was he just rolled past and he said, wait, I know that.
Yeah,
Oh
man.
my God,
y'all
thank
tuning
you
in
so
to
much.
Somebody
Just
knows what
like-
they're talking about.
And you're a great cameraman.
Thank you. You're on the point. Man,
Yes, for sure. Just out here working. It was a pleasure meeting y'all too.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
for your kind words. I appreciate it.
Y'all are doing it, man. Keep it.
Yes, for sure. That doesn't happen all the time, but when it does, it's always a treat. All right. Wow, look at this. A lot has been opened up. It was a big decision to remove this wall that separated the, formal living room to the other living room, dining room, open up the kitchen more. And so let's kind of see that. When you walk in here, this was that entrance. There was a wall right here, and you can still see it's cut out right there. So there was a wall that came out to here, and it was just real closed off right when you walk into the house. And I wanted more of an open feeling. Take out this wall, because I was going back and forth. Should we take out that wall? Would it make this space too big? But I actually think that it works now that I see it. So there was a huge wall here, and this is gone now. And over here, this was all walled off and stuff, and so the kitchen was around the corner. Of course, you knew that. And now, since this is open, when you first walk in the house, you'll be able to see just like all of this, give you a more open floor plan. And honestly, now that I'm seeing it, it doesn't look as big as I was afraid of, because I was afraid that it was just going to be too much open space, but I think it actually works. Still going to do some separation. This will be dining room and whatever kind of goes on over here. But the fireplace, we'll get this fireplace colored, probably paint it white or something. Maybe add some what do you call it, like tile and stuff. And then this is the kitchen right here. The decision that we're being faced with right now is to wall some of this off, because the stove is going to go right behind here. So we can have it open to where you'll see like the vent hood, make it kind of like an island type of deal, or kind of close it off, maybe have a little bit open. I don't know, still kind of going back and forth. Love the vaulted ceiling here. Like, I'm actually really excited right now seeing this. I'm really excited. Over here, this is gonna be more so an eat-in kitchen area. So there was a wall here, if y'all remember, there was a wall here, and ended up taking out this wall. Now for sure, the countertop is gonna come around here. to where you can actually see through it. I got my kitchen layout in my head, and so gonna do that. It doesn't look as intimidating as it once did. So let's go check out the rest of the house right quick. There's still a lot of work to be done. There's no more pool, so that's all gone. And does it look like there's grass growing in or no?
There's a little bit.
Yeah. Look at the little baby grass.
You go out there?
The little baby, yeah, let's go see the baby grass growing in. It looks kind of muddy. I'm not gonna step in that and get that in my car. But yeah, got some little baby grass coming up. Going into the rest of the house. So what's been done here is the walls have been redone in all of the rooms. So you can see new walls. They're pretty much ready for like flooring and paint, all that kind of stuff. But the walls have been retextured and everything's looking good with that. Super pleased. They've been spray painted, like painted with the spray right now. This room is dark. Oh, we don't have no electricity. No lights are up. Well, there's a light here. So there was a funky like cabinet here. Ended up taking that out. This is gonna be its own room, and it leads into the primary bathroom, which is a complete mess right now. I'm not even gonna, I mean, I'll show it to y'all, but it's a mess. Where you at? There we go. How y'all doing? All right, this is the secondary bathroom. We still have a hole in the ceiling like normal, but it's been cleared out. It looks a lot better now. The walls still have to, we need new sheetrock in here. Has to be painted, all that kind of stuff. But it is progress. And then now we are walking into the primary bedroom, which again, the walls have been textured and you can see the painting and stuff. And so we are making progress, and this leads back into that bathroom. Next steps, of course, is, I mean, because there's some, actually, let me go into the light, then I can kind of explain what's been going on. Man, this just looks great, like, great. I don't know if y'all are into flipping homes and all that kind of stuff, but it's like I can see the vision, like with it just like this. I can see the vision, and I see it kind of coming to life. And this actually looks beautiful to me. It's a lot different than what it was before. However, it looks great in my opinion. So of course, you know, we need to get these walls done out here, make all this look pretty. They're probably holding something up there. And I've picked out finishes and looks that I want to do. So I'm going to show those to y'all right quick and let me know your opinion about them. All right, so I have kind of my finishes planned out. And so so the kitchen, you can kind of imagine a cabinet here, and on both sides of the windows, gonna do the walnut shelves. So kind of like that walnut wood look, and the floor is going to be a wood floor, sort of like that color right there. These are the walnut shelves. On this side, this is the side that's going to have the stove, the vent hood, same countertops on both sides. This is where the sink goes. On the other side of the sink, it will be normal countertops. For the primary bathroom, I'm thinking like this, the octagon tiles in like a black. On the shower walls, just doing a white subway tile. We could do black finishes, white vanity. I haven't decided if I want to do blue vanity or like a dark gray vanity. And the walls will have colors on them. So not bright colors, but I didn't bring those today. And so I'll have to show you all those in the next video. Let me know what you think about my selections here or what you would do. Leave me a comment, let me know down there. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe to this and hit your bell notification so that way you get notified when I release the next video on progress. The next one that's coming though is house number 2 that's going on right now. So I'm gonna update you on the progress of that one. We've been having some major issues with the city, and so, oh my gosh, I'll talk about that in the next video. But yeah, let me know what you think. I'll talk to you soon.